Good morning. I'd like to share with you some of the highlights from the third quarter of 2021. This was yet another strong quarter for Triple Flag. Our business generated 20,746 GEOs, up 62% over the same period in 2020, delivering a robust 53% increase in operating cash flow and 43% increase in adjusted EBITDA. Having built Triple Flag from the ground up since 2016, with sector-leading growth in GEOs over this period, we're proud to demonstrate the organic growth of our existing portfolio by highlighting Steppe Gold's ATO Phase 2 expansion. The feasibility study announced in October includes a 10.5-year mine life extension, materially increasing the life of our stream by more than a decade with no incremental investment by Triple Flag. A testament to our rigorous due diligence process and our ability to source and secure transactions on high-quality mining projects led by great partners around the globe. This is a significant value catalyst for all stakeholders in the ATO project. 2021 has been a year of growth for Triple Flag. By the end of the third quarter, our assets produced more GEOs than in the entirety of 2020, reflecting strong contributions from our cornerstone assets and the ramp-up of new mines. Of the new mines, Zijin has achieved commercial production at Buriticá and is already expanding the processing plant from 3,000 tons a day to 4,000 tons a day. The expansion is expected to come online in the new year. We saw the Dargues gold mine in Australia deliver a record quarter, with gold production up 107% from the prior quarter as new stoping areas were brought into production. During the same period, new drilling intercepts highlight the potential of this underexplored region. And on the earlier stage assets, there were a number of exciting developments, such as record grades and a new discovery announced by Talon at the Tamarack Nickel Project. Eastern Barossi advanced ahead of schedule with permit application expected in Q1 of 2022, and Newcrest announced a drilling program at GJ. At our core assets, after a very strong first half, Cerro Lindo underwent shutdowns for unplanned maintenance. However, mine throughput for the fourth quarter rebounded to normal levels, and we expect to see a strong final quarter. In South Africa, Royal Bafokeng Platinum reported a record quarter, driven by solid performance at the BRPM operations and the continued ramp-up of the Styldrift mine. Turning to Australia, at Northparkes, capital projects which include the first stage of the processing plant expansion and development of the E26 Lift 1 North area progress well. Northparkes commenced permitting activities for a new satellite deposit with favorable gold grades known as E44, which is in addition to the life of mine plan that formed the basis of our investment in 2020. We were pleased to see strong outperformance at Fosterville, driven by continued high grade in the Swan Zone, as well as encouraging support for the substantial potential to discover more high-grade mineralization at depth. At Young-Davidson, the lower mine expansion is performing well, and GEOs were up 88% on the same quarter in 2020. We're particularly excited about the exploration potential both down dip and in the hanging wall at the mine, which has remained largely undrilled since 2011. Our growth over the next few years will be diversified across a combination of new and established mines. The expansion of Northparkes, steady-state nameplate production at Styldrift, and a strong outlook for ATO will all contribute, along with the continued ramp-up of new mines such as Buriticá, Gunnison, Pumpkin Hollow, and Dargues. Over the next 10 years, we expect average production of 105,000 GEOs per year, weighted 90% towards precious metals, with continued production and significant optionality beyond this horizon. Inflationary pressures and continued COVID-related challenges across the industry are a strong reminder of the resilience of this business model. Our margins are strong, our costs are low, and our production base is diversified. During the quarter, we published our inaugural sustainability report, demonstrating our integrated approach to ESG and rigorous standards in this area. I encourage investors who care about this key aspect of our activities to take a look at our commitment and work in this area. To conclude, as a team of owners, we are extremely proud of the business that we've built over the last 5 years. We continue to deliver with strong financial results, significant embedded growth, and future optionality. Our business is debt-free with available liquidity of over $600 million, and we pay a sector-leading dividend. Our focus will remain on delivering reliably strong results and returns as we pursue our strategy of disciplined and accretive growth through the acquisition of precious metal streams and royalties. We sincerely thank you for your support.